some reason, the cockatoo is fascinated with her feet. Oh no, stay there. Annie. Annie. What are you, ooh, are you pissed?
Go, Nana. Go, Nana.
Shh, kitty. What are you doing, cockatoo? What are you doing? You sidetracked with your feet again? Nice, Annie.
Jump around. Jump around. Jump around.
Annie, you're a freak. Oh, goodness. Oh, we were looking at her foot. Foot. What's that foot doing there? Annie. Nanner. Okay. Say goodbye, Nanner. Bye-bye.